Hello. If you're looking for a heavy-duty shelving unit that can support up to 2,500 pounds of weight per shelf, then you'll definitely want to hear about the DeWALT storage room. So some of the benefits of the shelving unit that it's actually made out of powder-coated steel. It also has three wire and one solid shelf, and each can support up to 2,500 pounds of weight. Each shelf also has eight support straps, and they're preventing from twisting or spreading under the heavy-duty loads. So it's a five on the top and three under. It also has nylon foot pads to prevent damage for your floor and some locking pins. The three cross beams made from powder-coated steel and designed from buckling under the pressure. As you can see here, we have five support beams. They are made from powder-coated steel and they're designed to support the whole weight of the shelf. Here you can see installation of the wire shelf. This wire shelf have a dense wire grids that prevent large items from falling through. So the solid shelf right here, I love to put like small items on it and maybe use it like a workbench. And also after using this DeWalt shelving unit for over like 6 years, I would say that I love how durable and well made this shelving unit is. It's also very easy to put together. And also the shelves are adjustable so you can actually feed all kinds of your storage containers. And I love the weight capacity. So overall, if you need a perfect storage for your garage or maybe shop or any other space, and you have a lot of stuff and you wish to organize them, then I think the Vault Shelving Unit will be exactly what you're looking for. Thanks for watching.